Goal! 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 Them things whenever they go with no goal, they thought it was over. But I guess I never hear about Roja Stona. Goal! 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 People have to drop every piece of goal on my own. Goal! 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 Roja Stona, big up yourself, my youth. Let me compose myself a little bit. But what are going people? You don't know, say the Yaadman sports in a minute, you know. And we're there again. Hold on, let me feel like saying me. I run the Olympics. Alright, ready again, you know. What are going people? You don't know, say the Yaadman sports in a minute, you know. And we're there with a thing called Baddis in a Paris. Finally, we deliver upon a piece of gold medal, people. Olympics, they are done. Without we hear we anthem. Now, man, that would be a problem. Yeah, some people out there, you know, where they say them top out your Olympics. Oh, no time, so no grow body. We just give up on the teams after. The whole area of them, not really do not much. We're not going like say, nobody else can get no medal. We get silver medal, 2 silver medal, and 1 bronze. And see it now. And the field event, no man deliver. Roja Stona deliver with a gold medal in the discus. Alright, you know, and that we are going to discuss. Now, people, we make history as a little nation. Because we carry 3 people go to the final. We have Mullins, and we carry Smichael. And then feel like so we are going to go ramp round and Aig. But people, Roja Stona, from down in the cravats to first place people, 70.00. Right now, we try and make the man a national hero. Because he deliver with first gold medal in France. And right now, everybody a jump and a prance. People know say a long time we are flinging a lick of mango, apple, coconut. Also that's sitting off a tree. People a long time the gold medal here. I did for we. Some other things happen on the day. We kinda dampen with style. But you see because we win the gold medal here, none of the celebration them can't spoil. But I have to make you know we're going on the day still. So see recap yeah. Alright, so we can start out with the not so good news first. So you and night put up a good fight, but him never make it through in the diving. But big up yourself in a capo. We know soon, like the Phoenix, again you shall be rising. Alright, to the track you now. All of the man they make it through in the 110-meter hurdle. But with answer, I'm not sure really I go on. But I know in the final, I'm going to kick up a storm. Man them, stick to the program, you know. Because we want to send Grant Alloway for another goalless holiday. Deal with it now. Next person will qualify Adele. But if I want one thing about Adele, I love her smile and her persona. She can say she'll make nothing but her. But you hear me now, Adele? It's when the World Championship come around, you see kind of get nothing here, so why you bring the war. In the 400-meter hurdles, unfortunately, Jai lied and Malik James King never make it through the thing. But I nah lie, I feel like, oh yeah, for King. Because based on how the brother they run back, you know, I feel like say, he would have win. Based on the last hurdle there, they have a different plan. But you say go yeah, man. But hear me now, we still have a foot in the final, you know, with Russia and Clark. And I nah lie, no matter how Jamaica look, you know, so we step up on the track, I still believe say everybody kind of dark. Now me have high ups to do man in the 400. But I nah lie, them race never make me feel nice. Because none of them make it through my side. No Jonelle, no Stacy, no Nikisha Price. But yo, we no go and rest up for the 4x4. Because we have to get a medal right there, so I'm sure. Big up Jaden Ebert. He make it to the final of the triple jump. No problems, no ump. But please be advised, when they reach the final, I'll be your face I get thump. Because we go for the medal. Level, never make it to the final for the 200. But for that, I'm not lie, I'm not really mad. But brother, go and rest up your body for the 4x100. Because we don't need you on that curve there, brother, as a god. But hey man people, I hit that for the recap. Baddis in Paris. We are going to celebrate the one piece of gold medal we get from Stona. But hear me now, we are come to collect more before the Olympics done. So please pack them up and bring them to the owner. I'm out.